Most people are using AI completely wrong. They're chasing tools, copying random prompts, automating tasks they don't fully understand, and then they wonder why nothing really changes. The real AI advantage doesn't come from doing more, it comes from thinking better. That's why I created the AI Advantage Starter Kit. Not another tool list, not another hype tutorial, a system, a blueprint to help you. Identify real leverage. Use AI as a strategic thinking partner. Apply it to high-stakes business decisions. And build clarity before you build complexity. No jargon, no overwhelm, just systems. Here's the truth. AI is not replacing smart people. It's amplifying the people who think clearly. The new edge isn't execution, it's strategic clarity. Small, lean teams are now outperforming enterprise giants because they move faster. Speed plus clarity is the new currency. Every AI-native business operates on 4 layers. Most people start at layer 3. Winners start at layer 1. Layer 1, thinking, strategy, decisions, clarity before action. Layer 2, creation, turning insight into assets, MVPs, offers. Layer 3, execution, automating repeatable workflows. Layer 4, learning, feedback, rapid iteration, continuous improvement. If you skip layer 1, AI just accelerates confusion. You don't need 20 tools. You need one repeatable workflow. Step 1, choose one high-friction business problem. Step 2, clarify, use AI to strip away noise and expose the root cause. Step 3, structure, generate options, map risks, compare trade-offs. Step 4, execute, make the decision, move forward. Clarity compounds. Inside the starter kit, I give you 5 strategic prompts, not fluff generators, thinking tools. For example, act as a strategic advisor. Help me define the real problem behind this situation. Or, evaluate this idea like a skeptical investor. Or, act as my AI co-pilot and ask me the right questions. These prompts aren't designed to impress. They're designed to sharpen your thinking. Here's how you use this kit. Read it once. No notes. Pick one prompt. Apply it to a real decision. Repeat weekly. That's it. Most people want more information. You need better questions. This starter kit is just the beginning. Inside Wings AI, we build the full engine for AI-driven growth, systems, workflows, strategic leverage. If you're ready to stop playing with AI and start thinking with it, start with the kit and build from there. Most people will watch this and go back to scrolling. A small percentage will take action. Those are the ones AI will amplify. If that's you, get the starter kit. Build clarity, build systems, build advantage. Start with the kit, and let's build intelligently.